serenity, tranquility, stunning mountain views is what awaits you right here at 15,000 Rolling Ridge Road in Haymarket, Virginia. Tucked away from all the noise and chaos, surrounded by rolling hills, farms and horses, you'll find this immaculate two-level rambler boasting 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on an amazing 2-acre lot. I'm Paulina Stowell with Century 21 New Millennium, and I'm proud to present this beautiful property. Don't you just love this wonderful deck and the screened-in porch where you can unwind and relax after a long day? Haymarket offers its residents a unique blend of suburban and country living. Strolling down the Washington Street, you'll come across the eclectic shops, restaurants, a new aroma wine tasting room, a park, and the Haymarket Museum. What a perfect location! For more information or a private showing, you can reach me at 571-275-8646.